Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Khan. I hope you all are doing good. So, like we are exploring the Salesforce admin concepts. So, today we are going to learn some more concepts of Salesforce admin. So, what was the agenda of today? Firstly, we are going to learn page layout and then mini page layout. After that, we are exploring compact layout. Then moving ahead, actions and global and object specific action. After lastly, that is record time. All these topics all are related to the customization of UI. Moving forward, let's start from page layout. Page layout is nothing. It refers to the arrangement and organization of field, relatives list and other component on a record detail page. Like page layout can be used to control the appearance of fields, related list and custom links on standard and objects detail and edit page. Fields can be set as visible, read only and required on page layout. All these things we can control using page layout. Let me jump on my org and show you how to create a page layout and how to control our UI using page layout. So I am here in my org, like I have a one custom object that is a student. So let me just firstly show you how my student object looks like on UI. Student object looks like on UI. I have not created for the tab that particular object. I think let me just create a tab for that firstly so that we can access that particular object. Search on quick find, that is tabs. Click on that. After that, just create a new custom object tab for our student object. Choose the tab style. Save. Let's come here and access that our student object. Yeah, you can see that now it is available. So you can see that after clicking on a student object, these much fields are available in my student object. So I want to customize that, like our field, like I want that age field, name field and email field comes under one particular, like I want to store in the basic information, and all the phones skill set and other field I want to store in different column. So I want to customize that. So how to customize that? Using page layout. Just go to the object manager and search that particular object you want to customize. After that, just click on that particular object and go and in page layout. Edit that page layout. Just click on the section, create a one section for storing the basic information. Basic information. We want to display on the detail page and both edit page. Here is a layout how you want to show all the data on the UI, like one column on two column. And here the tab key order is also given. Just click on OK and store the basic information like name. Just drag and drop. Phone. Just drag and drop. And one field is email. Just drag and drop. Create one more section that is personal information. Personal information. or store the all remaining fields in that, like skill set, role, and age. You have to just drag and drop. After that, just click on save. So our UI is successfully configured. We check that, just refresh for one time, click on new, create one record for news. You can see that here's personal information, one column is coming, and basic information, one column is coming, that we have created just now. So that's why according to our requirement, we can customize the UI, how we want to show our UI for to our users. So that is the use case of page layout. Moving forward to the next topic, let me just move. That is mini page layout. Salesforce mini page layout contain a subset of the item in an existing page layout. Whenever we hover on the record on recent item, we see the field which are present in mini page layout. Each page layout has its own mini page layout. Let me just show you what is mini page layout and what we are talking about. Under the same page layout, that is our student object page layout, just edit that particular page layout, and in the top header you can find the mini page layout option, that is, and like if you hover that particular under that particular record, which field we selected, that showed up after hovering. Let me just select the phone, email, age, email, phone, and name. Add. Save that. After, just save the whole page layout. Let me just show you the result of mini page layout in our UI. Switch for this demo purpose the Salesforce Classic, because that concept is clear, very much pretty much clear in Salesforce Classic. You can see that after hovering that particular record of the student, all the fields are came up that we have selected, like age, email, name, phone. All the four fields are selected due to the functionality of the mini page layout. Clear? I think so much in this. Very simple. We can move forward. I think the next topic, that is compact layout. Compact layout is a feature that allow you to customize the field display in the header section of records detail page, making important information readily accessible to user without having to scroll down the entire page. We can we can show the maximum 10 field on the header using compact layout. It support all type of fields except text area, long text area, rich text area, and multi-select click. Let me just show you what I am talking about the compact layout. Like in any standard or custom object, just open one record for you. I am talking about this header. These record are coming from the compact layout. You can customize also. Let me just customize the account compact layout so it will be understood more. Compact layout. Yeah, here. Create a new compact layout, demo, in the name demo. Select the select the all the field that you want to show on the header. I'm selecting active. After that, I'm selecting industry. Phone is layout assignment. Yes, we have to edit the assignment also so that is available on our account. Now it is reflecting. You can see that I have selected the phone and rating field. Now it is reflecting. So we can select maximum 10 field in this header, customize according to our requirement using compact layout. That's all. Nothing much in this. As simple as that. We can move forward. Our next topic, that is action. That is action. Action adds functionality to Salesforce. We have standard actions such as create and update record. We can send a mail also using custom action. We can also create a custom action as for our business partner that I was talking. There are two types of action in Salesforce. Like one first is global action and second is object specific action. Like we want to add more functionality in our business requirement, in our project, whatever else, so that we can use action. Let me just first quickly brief about the global action. Global actions are the actions that are not tied to the specific record or object. Means that they can be accessed from anywhere in Salesforce, such as from the Salesforce mobile app or the global actions, the Salesforce desktop interface. Common examples of global actions including creating a task, posting to chatter, or logging a car. Let me just create a global action. Let me just show you from where we can access the global action. From here, to in our UI, on clicking the plus, you can find the global action. Like this much standard global action is already there. Let me just create one global action like for student. We can create the student record on from this on a fly without without related to any object or any field. We can create the record of a student also. Let me just create a student global action. Student global action for a student object. Click on home, search for global action. Global action. Click on new action type. What we are doing? Create a record. Target object to student and label type. Quick action. Quick record. Or create a new record. You can do that. Name is new student. Record. You can write a success message also. A record. What is this? Below area. This is a action layout area. What is the action layout area? Like what? What? How much field you want to show in the action? Like if you click on the global action, which field is required to create a record? Like I want to age, phone, name, email ID. All All these fields are required to create a record from global action. Now save our global action is created. So let me just after refreshing, we are able to find our action or not. Let me just check. Our action is not global action is not stored here. Why? Because till now we are not put our action in our UI this particular page. Like I have explained you global action layout where we select the field. Next one is the publisher layout. Using publisher layout, we put our action on this page on our UI. So just click on the home, search for the publisher layout. Publisher layouts. Just edit that publisher layout. Click on the white and lightning action. Create new student. Here your action is override the predefined action and just just put your action here. Above, save that. Now we are able to find our action from our UI. Let me just refresh first. Firstly, click on the global action, create new student action. Yeah, you can see that the field we have selected on the global action layout are there. You can see that ABC, D, from here we can create the record, create the student record. Now go to the student record, you can find that particular record is created. See ABC is 13, ABC, ABX at the gmail.com. That's the use case of the global action. Moving forward to the next topic, that is object specific action. Object specific action is an action that is associated with a particular specific object and is intended to perform actions related to that object. Like global action, we can create for any object, or we don't need to relate it to particular object, but object specific action we can create only the particular object. These action are typically displayed in the highlight panels on the record detail page for the object, making them easily accessible to users when viewer are working with the record of that type. So let's start creating object specific action. So my requirement is I want to create a opportunity record from the account detail page. So I want a action. I want a object specific action so that I can create a opportunity record from the account details page. This is my requirement. Pretty clear? For creating a object specific action, we have to go under under that particular object, that is account. After this, we have to go button links and action. After that, we have to create a new action, that is the page. Create a record. Action type is a create a record. We have more action like send email, log call, custom visual post page, update a record, lightning component, lightning web component, all these we gonna learn in Salesforce development part. So this much action we can perform using object specific action. At this time, I want to create a record. Target object is opportunity. Standard level is we want to just we just creating a record. So new record, create new record. Just give the name. See, the opportunity is created. We just save the record, save the action. What this feels, what this area says. I already explained you. In this area, we have to drag and drop the fields that we want while creating the action in that particular object. Like I'm leaving the default, this all these required field. Click on quick save. After that, we have to go like our create new opportunity action is created. We have to go on page layout and set our action so that it is visible on our UI. In whiles and lightning action, create new opportunity. You can find that. Just drag and drop here and save our page layout. Going forward, let's come on our UI, the account object, and refresh our page. Now we can create opportunity record using the action from the account detail page, and you can see that you can create a record, create a new opportunity from the account using the action. This all this field, all this field we have taken on the action layout area. If I create that record, dot it, like let me just create one record for you. ABCD close date page save. And find this record under the opportunity object also that for verifying that our record is created. I think object specific action is very much clear, but there is nothing complex things that concept. Moving forward to the next topic, that is record type. I think this is the last topic for today administration. So record type is a powerful feature that allow you to define different sets of pick list values, page layouts, and business process for different types of record within the same object. For example, like I have a one student object. Under this object, I want to show the two different records, like who are the fresher. I want to show the only the data of the fresher different, and I want to show the experience people record to the only experience people requirements. So in this type of use case, we use the record type. Record type allow to tailor Salesforce to match your organization's unique needs, making it a powerful tool for data organization, customization, and user experience enhancement. Let me just explain you for giving the example and demoing you on my Salesforce org. Going forward, jump you like I have one student object. So for creating a record type, firstly we have to create a page layout. Like in this requirement, we have to show on the UI. Like if we select the fresher record, so only the fresher data will be displayed. If we select the experience record, so only experience data will be displayed on the UI. So for creation of the record type, firstly we have to create a two-page layout. Let me just create a first page layout, that is fresher page layout. There, I'm storing the different value on both different page layouts. Like I don't I'm removing the personal information personal information record on the fresher page layout, so that we can differentiate on the UI. Let me create one more page layout, that is experience page layout. This I'm showing both personal information and basic information. Let me just save. Now we have to create a record type here. Click on new, select the record type label, that is fresher student, description only for fresher student. Click next. Here we have to select the page layout. Like on fresher, I want the fresher page layout. Save and new. After that, we have to create one more record type, that is for experience. Experience. Click on active, make available so that we can use. After that, just click on next. Select the page layout of experience page layout. Save. Now we can understand our record type is successfully created. We can understand on UI. Let's check our functionality. Record type is working fine or not. Click on new. Like if I click on fresher student record, you can verify that only basic information is coming. Like I want to show the all the related data on the UI related to the fresher. If I click on experience, you can see that here both personal information and basic information are coming. So in that way you can customize your UI according to your requirement. So that's how record type is working. I think it is very simple. You are new to the channel, do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.